selling our Cambodia dream. We strive to be perfect in the innovation of our product research with following the footsteps of the global market. We keep improving our customer service as we know what our customers need most. We understand that the market competition will become more and more fierce, so we endeavor to make our products have excellent quality and reasonable price. To ensure the perfection of our products, we attach importance to the strict control of each production process. We also pay much attention to the team promotion, so as to keep up with the times and be the powerful backup force of our customers. We are Cambodia International Corporation. We are a company that has a history of 15 years. Footwear, garments, and bags are our products. Since our company was established in 2001, we have insisted on the operation principle of be distinctive and be reliable all along, and provided our best service for lots of famous brands and retail chain stores all over the world. We have our own design center with new products available every day, our own physical testing center for quality control, and a lot of international certification, and we have gained plenty of recognition from our partners. For 15 years, we have adhered to the aim of making our customers more satisfied, devoted ourselves to creating a more excellent supply chain management system, and offer our customers more competitive total solutions. Closer service ideas, a more professional team management, a more efficient supply system, more comprehensive product system. We abide by the principle of customer first, quality first, and win-win cooperation first all the time. We go all out to build personalized and excellent service for our customers, so as to make them satisfied beyond their expectations. In the future, our Cambodia people will continue innovating and developing constantly, together with all our partners all over the world, to face the continuously changing market competitions and challenges. With following the steps of worldwide economy integration, we will spare no effort to improve ourselves, advance on the voyage of victory, and never stop.